Damn, bro, you alright?
Oh, I'm not alright, man.
You must have did the Drake Tissy Slide challenge, huh?
Oh, bro, my fucking
good.
Oh, my bitch took a baseball bat to my leg today. Oh,
Bad.
yeah, fucking bat, man.
What?
I told the bitch I was going to the grocery store and she fucking said, why the fuck you going to the grocery store? That's where all the bitches at. Like, what is she talking about, bro? Like,
For real?
yeah, for real.
Man, she ain't lying though. It's quarantine season.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, these last couple months been tripping. Like a week ago, I woke up to a knife to my throat. Bitch tried to shoot me twice. Had her dad chase me around with a shotgun. Her dog bit me in my nuts.
Wait, what?
Nigga, like, it's
What?
crazy shit, man. Like,
God damn,
bro, I'm telling you, I don't think I can let her continue to be my girl like this, bro.
Hell no, bro. Get rid of her. Dump her like road trash, okay? Like street trash. You gotta get rid of her. Let her go. Man.
Nigga, dump her.
Yeah. Duh.
Nigga, the fuck you talk about? Dump her, nigga. Dump her, nigga.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask her to be my wife. The fuck you talking about? Dump her. Nigga, what? I'm gonna ask her tomorrow, shit.
Ty,
What, nigga?
why would you do some shit like that? This nigga snorting dick.
Nigga, I love her for one, and two, like,
Love? Bro, her dog bit your nuts.
nigga, so, bro, listen. Despite all that,
Okay.
her pussy is fucking
Perfect.
like, bro, no, you don't understand. Like, her shit, like, have you fucked my girl?
Not yet.
No, bro, shit. Her shit is A1, bro. Not even
She
A1,
ain't giving me,
A0.
she ain't giving me back yet.
She, I'm telling you, bro, that's why I can't leave, bro. Like, she got a hold on me. Like, every time I want to leave, she lay that thing on me. I'm just like,
Good shit, brother.
so, yeah, I'm gonna ask her tomorrow.
If you want to do that, let me help you out.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna need this.
There you go, famo.
Oh, shit, yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of this.
Consider that a engagement gift.
Shit, man, appreciate it,
You
brother.
gonna need it.
Yeah, sure
This
will.
nigga. Congratulations, by the way.
Thanks, bro.
Stupid ass nigga.